Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Anthony from Anthem of the Seas, which is doing the crossing of Suez Canal for the first time. It is early morning at 4:30 and I'm a little bit late to take a better position out on the open deck. Meantime, enjoy the sail away from Piraeus, Greece and a little pit stop in Santorini. Right on time, pilots coming on board to guide Anthem of the Sea to the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal is man-made waterway connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Indian Ocean via the Red Sea. It enables a more direct route for shipping between Europe and Asia, effectively allowing for passage from North Atlantic to the Indian Ocean without having to circumnavigate the African continent. On November 17, 1869, the Suez Canal was opened for navigation. When it was open for the navigation, the Suez Canal was 200 to 300 feet wide at the surface, 72 feet wide at the bottom and 25 feet deep. The Suez Canal has no locks because the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, Gulf of Suez have approximately the same water level. It takes around 11 to 16 hours to pass through the canal, and ships must travel at low speed to prevent erosion of the canal's banks by the ship waves. The speed limit is 12 to 14 kilometers, that is 7 knots roughly. The Suez Canal is 120 miles long. The Suez Canal runs through Egypt and has no other bordering countries. The canal spans north to south from Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. I thank Royal Caribbean for taking this shortest route to India. We can see Celebrity Infinity following us as well, which is going to India also with Indian crew members. Well, we are here in Suez Canal and this is one of my colleagues, Dominic from Pune. Dominic, so is this your first time crossing Suez Canal?
Yes, Anthony, it's my first time.
So how are you feeling?
Oh, it's wonderful. It's a once in a lifetime experience.
Alright. So are you excited to be home soon?
Absolutely. Very much looking forward to it.
Alright. Well, you have to say anything to your family or any friends around on the ship or back home?
Everybody back home. I'll be back home very soon. The company is taking care of us very well. And to everybody on board, be safe and just enjoy.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Anthony. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
is masked ship container ahead of us. Well, I hope you all are enjoying the crossing so far. It wasn't the first time for me. I had done it many times before. But for others, it was first time crossing the Suez Canal. Y'all can see Celebrity Infinity behind us. Just crossed the bridge and we are ahead. The fishermen's were a little bit hindrance for the travel. They were very close to the ship without any fear. Just for your info, I have traveled the Suez Canal through waterways and roadways. Roadway, it was last year, December 2019. That's it. We are almost at the end of the Suez Canal and we are entering the Red Sea. I hope you have enjoyed, and the next stop is Amchi, Mumbai, India. Please enjoy the song Seafarer Tarvoti from my album Tunzai.
संसार बोलो हाउ तारवोटी 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 खुशाला बोलो हाउ बोता हाउ आको संसार बोलो हाउ कोयसले मानकुले कोई सोरुच म्याउलेना गोवा ओ गोवा कोनातु सोर जाइना Somir gasta, ciuda dosta, oare matana Kapan tuja, pavo, am